Welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic, where I'm going to show you how you can add friends onto your eFootball game account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the eFootball game on your device, and once you are inside the main menu, press the left stick button to enter the Friends section. Now within the Friends tab, you will see all of your friends that you have added. And if you go into the Pending section, you will find the Send Friend Request button. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can simply enter the username to search for your desired player. Once you tap on the search button, you will be taken into this user's profile. In order to send a friend request, just tap on the send button, and now your request has been sent to this user. Press on the OK button, and now once this player goes into their received tab and accepts your friend request, you will become friends with them, and their profile will appear within the Friends tab. You can now invite them to start playing any match mode. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends onto your account within the eFootball game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.